Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about R and Rstudio download and installation. So you have to search for CRAN, that is Comprehensive R Archive Network, and go to the first link. Then you can see there are link for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So I'm using Windows. I'll go to this and select the base package and then download the version, that is the latest version for the Windows. So I've already downloaded. I'll not download this, and then also download the Rstudio. Search for Rstudio and you will see that the first link, that is rstudio.com. You just open this link and from here you can see that open source Rstudio is there. Just select that and you will be seeing Rstudio. Then just download the Rstudio desktop version. Okay, so when you download this you will see there are multiple version of this. Some are free, some are not free, but you have to download this Rstudio desktop version. So download it and go to this link, select this link and it will download. So I'll not download here. Now I've already downloaded, so let's see how to install them. So first you have to install the R, okay, before installing Rstudio. So just click on the file and then select this, and then you it will automatically create a directory where the software will be installed. So this pop-up is showing that I've already installation file in this folder, and it is asking if I want to install it in the same folder, but as I'm not going to install, I'll just select yes and then select the 64 bits installation, because most of the system are 64-bit. So just select the 64 and deselect the 32-bit files and then click on next and it will install. Okay, so I'll just cancel it. Next, install the Rstudio. So there is nothing to explain here and you can just follow the instruction. uh, just click on next and it will be installing. It will install. Okay, so I'll just cancel it. Now just to give you a brief look of the Rstudio, I'll just open the Rstudio. I'll show you some features. So when you open the Rstudio, and you can see that here is a showing that it is R version 4.0. So this Rstudio is basically a graphical interface for using the R programming language. Okay, so this console is for typing the commands. You can directly type commands over here. And this environment, on the right side you can see two panel. One is environment, then there are multiple section over here: environment, history, connection and tutorial. So in environment there will be files, whatever files you have, you will be importing, those will be visible here. And then on downside of that you will see the files. So whichever directory you are you are opening in the present while using the Rstudio, this will show the files in that folder. Okay, so thank you.